Kids Guess the Mystery Items Challenge. Can you solve it? Can you guess what is this? Power strip. A power strip, also known as an extension block, power bar, is an electrical device that provides multiple electrical outlets from a single source. Can you guess what is this? Scissors. Scissors are cutting instruments with two blades, allowing them to be opened and closed. The blades are used for cutting various materials such as paper, fabric, cardboard. Can you guess what is this? Stapler. A stapler is a handheld device that fastens sheets of paper together. Can you guess what is this? Paper clips. Paper clips are small devices used to hold sheets of paper together temporarily. Can you guess what is this? Notebooks. Notebooks are bound collections of paper used for writing, note-taking, and other written activities.